Hi guys, good morning everyone, and happy new year guys. Welcome 2026. Hopefully everybody more blessing to come and good health of course. We're preparing our breakfast guys. We try this guys. As brown potatoes. We bought this in Landers guys. We need to fry the veggie because I have oven not I'm not cooking the oven. Let's start cooking. Her breakfast hash brown with cheese and what is that? Ketchup there. Hi guys, let's eat breakfast. Or breakfast day. Kasama. Labo. We remember when I'm kid guys. My parents planting cassava hectare and hectare. Then after 1 year, we need to harvest and sell to the city. Then. So that's why I'm always eating this when I'm kid. Happy New Year everyone. Today guys is Wednesday, December 31. I'm sure later guys, very noisy here. Firework. So far it's quiet. Yummy to me with dry fish. Or salted fish. But it's fine natin. Cheap lang ang per kilo dito guys. 35 per kilo. In the US, I think half kilo in the US ay $3. Sometimes we put in Food Lion guys. The problem sometimes is bad. Because old stock na siya. So sometimes if I bought, we need to crack the edge little bit so that way you know if the inside is bad. Continue mo ito mo rin. My God. Yeah, I have watermelon grapes, orange, the London. I am making vegetable soup guys for my lunch with fish, sweet potato, onion, other one is tomato, okra, this one pepper, and have one talong, eggplant, And of course, this one, guys. The moringa. Wow. Our last one is ready, guys. Happy New Year, everyone. With this. And let's eat, guys. Lunch, guys. Really yummy. Let's eat, guys. We put this guy in in Landers, and so very cheap in Landers, guys. 127 lang to. Mm. Really yummy. Cheap yung grape, guys, sa Landers. But the strawberry and hypermarket, guys, so expensive. Look like 1/4 lang kilos, I think. 250 grams. 499. So expensive. Really nice, this grape. So sweet. Hi guys. Let's eat, guys. Last one, guys. Last one. And of course, rice and chicken. Let's eat. Yummy, guys. This is our lunch day. Happy New Year, everyone. Today is New Year, guys. December 31. Let's eat, guys. Malapad so yummy. Our mic, guys, is microphone for the phone. Arrived today, we ordered yesterday. We ordered last 29, guys. 30, 31. 2 days na. It's 2 days only. The Shopee delivery very quick. Happy si Bibs. Thank you, mahal, for this. Yeah, finally, guys, I got mic guy for vlogging, microphone from Shopee. We ordered this guy 2 days ago and deliver immediately, guys. This one here. We pay 314 including the shipping. The shipping is 38 pesos. Thank you, mahal. Wow, exciting. Because, guys, if I'm doing vlogging, if I'm not raise my voice, you cannot heard my video. You need to shout. So that's why we ordered this day. From Shopee. Yeah. Here in the Philippines, Shopee, guys. Shopee is a good shopping online. And cheap also. Oh, like this pala, guys. Lot of stuff inside. This is the manual. And this is it. This one. I think it to i-attach sa phone. I think. What is this? What's inside, guys? Ah! This one. What is this? Ah, if you put something. This is two. So that's why ito. Like ano. Put right there. But you need to attach something. Ah, chargeable pala to, no? Kasi wireless siya. So, kailangan mong i-charge yung battery. Yan. This is two, guys. Two pieces. No? Other one, this one. I think that's fine. No need to put this. Only this one. Two, guys. I think this one is have clips siya. You need to attach over here. And you make a video. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I need to figure out later then. Hi guys, Happy New Year everyone and welcome to our channel. I have microphone guy arrived today. I'm so excited guys. No need to shout. Even you far guys. It's fine. Hi guys, I'm so happy. Thank you mahal. I have mic na guys. Usually to siya guys to. So if I interview somebody, we put this over there. You can put this guy over here. Oh. This one. You need to put. I don't know. Maybe remove this. Ah, this one low bat to eh. It's not charging. You can put this guy right here. Also. Mostly if you go outside. Nice guy. Green. Picto. Yan guys. Then if you don't like na ano, pwede mo siyang balik ka rin. Tapos ipasok mo siya sa loob. Yan para hindi makita. Hi guys! Happy New Year everyone! Happy New Year! We told the trust today guys. And the woman waiting the elevator and they told me the elevator is dirty. I told why? Because hampo. So that's the reason guys. In Aliyah not allowed a pit in elevator. You need to use duster. Here is allowed guys. The pit, the small pit, the big is not allowed, but the small is allowed, the elevator. And now, hampo over there. I think the owner of the dog is not pick up the hampo of her dog. But usually, I'm not using the elevator because I'm here only on level 2. guys. Thank you so much guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. And Happy New Year everyone. My wish is good health guys, and more blessing to come. Bye bye guys, and see you in the next video. God bless you guys.